Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. The first design we'll be doing today is Black-Eyed Susans. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For this design, start off with a grayish blue polish. When the base is dry, use a nail art brush to make 2 horizontal yellow petals. They should be long teardrop shapes and look kind of like a propeller. Add 2 more petals vertically. In each of the 4 spaces, add 2 more petals to fill out the flower. When you're done with the petals, add a black dot in the center. Apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design. The next design we'll be doing is roses. For this one, again start off with a base coat and then 1 to 2 coats of a sheer polish. When the base is dry, use the brush from a bottle of pink polish to make an abstract blob in the center of each nail. Let the pink dry, and then for the roses petals, use a nail art brush dipped in black to make a spiral over the spot of color. Apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design. The last design today is daisies. So as always, start with a base coat and then 2 coats of a mint polish. Once it's dry, use a nail art brush to make a white daisy in the center of your nail. Add a yellow dot in the middle, and then add 2 small green leaves above and below the flower. To finish it off, add 2 white dots above and below the leaves. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 floral designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.